we have $2.5 million to award to 4 consortiums, representing 139 partners coming together. Since October 2017, we've added over 3,500 manufacturing jobs in Massachusetts.
And as the skill sets continue to evolve, students and the workforce are going to require more advanced training. These skills are vital to the success of advanced manufacturing.
More jobs today, as you know, require advanced degrees, advanced training, and a good educational foundation that employers can count on.
There is clearly a renaissance going on here in the city of Worcester. Kids that are coming to school here are staying here. And they're staying here and they're coming into the workforce.
So I think there's a real opportunity to continue our work around getting more of our kids into the classroom.
When we invest in education, we're investing in the future of the Commonwealth, and when we invest in the workforce skill sets that are needed, we're investing in the future economy and growth.